Hi everyone, today's video is going to be a Christmas home tour. I'm going to go around my house and I'm going to remember the best I can where I got everything. And then if you see something that I go by and I don't say anything and you want to know where it's at, just leave it down below in the comments and I'll get right back to you. So I'm going to just go around this way and hopefully I don't miss anything. This little reindeer right here, I was trying to think the other night where I got this, and I think I might have gotten it at Home Goods or Home Depot. I'm not exactly sure, but it was a couple years ago that I got it, so I'm not sure if I can find it, but if I can, I'll leave it down below. These pillows right here I got from Home Depot a couple years ago, I think it was. Not last year, but the year before. They're super cute. They have pillows just like these, maybe not the same prints, but they do have pillows that are the same kind of style and everything. Then we're gonna go up here to this wreath right here. I got this from, I want to say Home Depot one year. It was a couple years ago. They have a different style this year, but I did see them. On my Christmas tree right here, the big Christmas tree, everything that you see on here is from At Home. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to link anything down below, but if you go there right now, they still have, I mean, it's from this year, so you should be able to have some luck finding any of these ornaments on here. Oh, well, with the exception of these are from Cracker Barrel, so I didn't see them the last time I was in there, but they might have them still in your location. This little Santa Claus right here, I think I got from Home Depot one year or Hobby Lobby. The stuff that I've had for a long time, it's so hard for me to, you know, think about where I got it. But I think I got it from Hobby Lobby or Home Depot one year. So moving on here, I got, let me turn this off. These are actually ornament. This is an ornament right here. I got that from, I think, the Target dollar spot last year, along with that Christmas tree right there. That's Ray Dunn. You can get that at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, or you can shop at all those stores online. This little deer right here, I think this was the Target dollar spot last year. These ornaments are from At Home. This little sweater weather book set was actually from a local shop that we have around here called the White Rabbit. The whole store is totally my style. I love it every time I go in there. This is Ray Dunn. This, I do not remember where I got this from, but it says Noel and it's got little candles in the back in little glass jars. I will try my best to find it. I'll see if I can find something similar and I'll link it down below, but I do not remember where I got that. This is Ray Dunn. These little greenery pieces, that you can get those from the dollar store. They come in a pack of a couple actually. This was from Target or Home Goods. This was from Target right here this year. That's from Target right there. No, that's from TJ Maxx this year too. This is a Bath & Body Works. It's the flannel scent. It smells so good. These things right here, I think I either got them from Costco or Sam's, one of the two. All the ornaments on this tree, with the exception of my Ray Dunn ornaments, they're from At Home. The Ray Dunn ornaments you can find at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and these are the ones with the words on them are Ray Dunn. These little presents down here I got from the Target dollar spot 2 years ago. The tree skirt, I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby one year, along with the stockings that I'll show you in a little bit. This Merry Christmas I got this year at Hobby Lobby. These are the stockings that I was telling you about. They go along with that tree skirt over there, and these were from Hobby Lobby as well. These little moose pillows I picked up this year at TJ Maxx. The runner that's on the table, I believe I got that at TJ Maxx a couple years ago. These, I'm wanting to say they came from Hobby Lobby. I've had these for a few years now. I remember I bought 2 of them. and they were so expensive whenever I bought them, but I had to have them, so I just went ahead and bought them, and I don't regret it. I love them. And then the this little lantern thing I bought this year at Hobby Lobby for just normal regular decorations, but I decided to use it for my Christmas. The Christmas ornaments that are in here are from Cracker Barrel this year. And then the lights that I have running through here are from Hobby Lobby. Then we're gonna come over here. The blanket is from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This pillow I ordered off of Facebook from just like a local person that was making them and selling them. I thought it was super cute. I love the movie, so I like the saying. The Merry Christmas truck was from Cracker Barrel last year. And then moving over here, I got this, He Knows If You've Been Good, Bad or Good. That was a Hobby Lobby find a couple years ago. Everything in here, all the Rae Dunn is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods, with the exception of like the ornaments that you see in there. Those are from Cracker Barrel. These little gnome guys, they're so cute. They're from TJ Maxx this year. The little Christmas trees right here, these were from At Home this year. Moving down here, the gingerbread little guys, that guy and that guy, that was from Hobby Lobby this year. This little Santa, that was from the Target dollar spot a couple years ago. The little beaded thing here, it says Merry Christmas on it. That was from Hobby Lobby this year. The little signs right here that say Mary and Believe, I got those from At Home this year. This little guy right here, he's right at the entrance of my kitchen, and I think I got this at Home Depot a few years ago. Okay, coming into my kitchen, I have the little Santa hat. I got that from Hobby Lobby this year. All the Rae Dunn, again, is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. There's a Bath & Body Works candle. I just got that from online. Rae Dunn, everywhere, same place. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. These little rolling pins, my husband found these this year at TJ Maxx, no, at Marshalls specifically, but I'm sure you can find them at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. And then I also got these little spatulas, which is Rae Dunn. It was at the same place, so. This isn't Christmas related, but this is a Ninja coffee maker. I got that from Walmart. I made some cookies last night. All the Rae Dunn is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Good. The greenery is from Dollar Tree. This little snowman, I have had this for a couple years now. I haven't ever opened it, but I guess you could use it. I think I got this from, I want to say I got that from Cracker Barrel because I saw it and I really liked it. So I think that's where it is, where it's from. Okay, this stuff over here, all the Rae Dunn is from the same place. Oh, the little tree farm sign right there, I got that from Hobby Lobby one year. The beaded garland thing here says Merry Christmas. I got that from Hobby Lobby this year. The straws, I think I just picked up from Walmart a couple years ago. The fake snow you can get from Walmart too. The pine cones I got from At Home. The wooden tree stump right here, I got that from At Home this year. Moving over here, I got this from Walmart, I believe, a few years ago. The Home Sweet Home is Rae Dunn. I got that from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. The little tree stump is from At Home. It's the same one. I have two of those. And moving over here to my Christmas tree, this is from Cracker Barrel this year. I originally wanted it for my front door, but the sun beats down on my door and it actually melted the hot glue that's holding all the pine cones and stuff together. So I just went ahead and stuck it there and it's worked out fine. On this tree, I have all the ornaments that are on here are ornaments that mean something to our family. If you watched my Christmas tree decorate with me video, I explained that my mother-in-law gets me an ornament every year, so that's what this tree is. It also has ornaments from the kids whenever they were babies, or the ornaments that they made or something like that. So I definitely knew that I wanted a tree just for this because I have quite a few of them. And then moving over here, the ornaments, I got those from Hobby Lobby this year. They are real, they're glass. I don't really have too many glass ornaments with the exception of my Rae Dunn. All the Rae Dunn is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. This little guy right here, he is from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. This little We Whisk You a Merry Christmas is so cute. That's from Hobby Lobby this year. And then this little joy thing, I got that at the Target dollar spot a couple years ago. Another one of the Tree Farm signs, I got that from Hobby Lobby. These lights right here that are hanging here, they light up. They have snow and a little Christmas tree on the inside. If you can see them, they're really cute. My camera's not wanting to focus. But I got those from Hobby Lobby. The Christmas tree, the gold Christmas trees on this side, I got from, I think, my Aunt Pat had she had a thrift store a few years ago. I think I got those from her along with this tree right here, but I'm not totally sure. I think that's where those came from. All the Christmas picks and the Pineco picks and all that came from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago. I found these they actually have them at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't grab them whenever we were there. My husband wanted to get them, but I was like, no. And then I was at Dollar Tree with my kids the other day and I saw them, so I just went ahead and got them. I thought they were really cute. We're having Christmas at our house this year, so I thought it would be just a cute way of spicing up the kitchen table. But I would show you the kitchen table, but it's got some stuff on it for another video. On to my bathroom. This shower curtain was from At Home this year. I really liked it whenever I got it. It's not long enough. My shower curtain, I explained this before, but my shower curtain is hung, so it's for a shower curtain that is 84 inches long. Because the original shower curtain that I had in here was a special order. It was real fancy and pretty and whatever, but I got tired of it. And so all the ones that you could find in the store, they're 72. So this is a 72. It's too short. I'm not happy with it, but I'm not going to change everything just for that. So that was from At Home. The Rae Dunn is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. That's the same with this one and that. These white snowflake towels, that's from TJ Maxx. This candle right here is from Walmart this year. My husband bought a few of them, different colors like red and like a gray colored one. The ornaments are from Hobby Lobby. This greenery I got from my mom. It has some snow on it. And this little glass jar is from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. The Rae Dunn is from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. This is Bath & Body Works. Moving into my bedroom, I have this Let It Snow garland that's hanging across here. It's really pretty. It has little sequins on it. This was from At Home. And then birdhouses are Rae Dunn, so it's TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. This tree and this tree I got from Cracker Barrel one year. It was a few years ago, so I have not seen anything like that since I bought these. That's Rae Dunn. All the ornaments on this Christmas tree was from At Home, including the picks. The tree itself was from Hobby Lobby. This little guy right here was from Big Lots a couple years ago. I remember buying this. It's actually more than a couple. It was probably, oh god, I've had it for a long time. Probably, I don't know, maybe 10 years at least. I remember whenever I bought this, my mom bought one that was very similar, except for the hat and the scarf were different. It lights up. I haven't even tried to light it up this year. I have to put some batteries in it, but it's so cute. The tree skirt I got from Walmart. These little guys right here I got from, I don't remember, I either got them from Cracker Barrel or At Home, and I've had them for a few years, maybe at least 5 years. So If I can find them somewhere, I'll link them down below. But the candles were at the same place that I bought them. This little thing right here, I bought from At Home this year. You can put like a little candle in it, or ornaments or anything like that with some lights would look really pretty. I have it empty right now because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. Okay, moving to my bed. This is a Rae Dunn blanket I got from TJ Maxx. The pillows are TJ Maxx, Marshall's Home Goods, one of those. Moving into my bathroom and my bedroom, this sign right here I got this year from At Home. This is Bath & Body Works soap. I just got it online. This little tree right here I got from Walmart a few years ago. And then all the accessories, you can pick whatever you want for the little mini Christmas trees. They have quite a bit, actually. This tree used to be in my kitchen, so I went with the black and the white theme. But I just decided not to buy anything new for it this year. I just stuck it in here. It gives the bathroom a nice little nightlight at night. This towel right here is from TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Marshall's. It's Rae Dunn. This little guy right here was, I think, was from the Target Dollar Spot last year, along with that little Christmas tree up there. The ornaments are from Hobby Lobby this year. Also, this basket right here is from Hobby Lobby. The blanket, I want to say I got from TJ Maxx a few years ago, and the Our Nest pillow is from Home Goods. I bought it this year, the beginning of this year. Okay guys, that was it for my Christmas home tour. I hope you really like it. If there's anything in my video that I did not mention where I got it, you want to know where it is, please leave it down below and I'll get right back to you. If I could find it online, try to link it, that way you guys can go ahead and grab it if you want to. If you enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe to my channel. My YouTube channel is growing and I can't thank you all enough. I am so excited. I have so many ideas and I just can't wait to get them out there for you all. So if you have any ideas, or you want to see something, or you want to see me redo something, or you have an idea of a video that I just haven't thought of yet, just leave it down below. I am going to be going on vacation soon. I didn't know if you guys were interested in me vlogging a little bit so you can get to know me and my family a little bit more. If you're interested in something like that, let me know. If not, no big deal. If you just want to come here for the cleaning and the decorating and organizing and stuff, totally fine with me. But that is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm.